Also, doctor, I would like to know from you that a lot of people have also lost their loved ones in these times, the pandemic, especially in the second wave. It hit our country with I don't even have words to explain it. So we went through such a depressing phase, and we lost so much of our population. A lot of people lost so many loved ones, their loved ones. So at times like these, they don't have motivation to get up in the morning. They don't have motivation to do anything. So what would you suggest them, and what would you like to tell them? So, to how do they take their next day with a motivational spirit?
Talk to your God who you pray to. Very
Mhm.
simple. Number one. Number two, it is in which religion you find out that people do not die. Say if you mourning is different, crying
Yeah.
is different, and getting depressed is different. If you few days back I got the opportunity to speak in the church, and I was telling them, if you don't want your children to die, listen carefully. If you don't want your children to die, don't give them birth.
Yeah.
If you do not have the fundas and the facts of the life clear in your mind, whosoever has taken birth has to die. You understand that and celebrate every moment. That is the most important thing. See, there's something called as, seize the moment. And that is what you and me have to learn. I lost my mom. She was 72 years old with heart attack. I definitely cried at that particular moment. And immediately the next moment, within a day or two, I was absolutely fine. Because you and me have to have the clarity that everybody will die. And after death, we all understand that they will be the God, they will be with the God who you and me have a faith on.
Mhm.
So now let me come back to this, the funda of stress. How do you manage stress? Number one thing is with the spirituality. There are two kinds of spirituality. One which will take you away from the truth, and one which
Mhm.
will bring you closer to the truth. I read, the Gita says very clear cut. किसके लिए रोते हो? कौन ऐसा कि क्या मर गया? कोई भी मरता नहीं, कोई भी पैदा नहीं होता है. हर कोई रूप बदलते हैं. And we need to understand that. We
Mhm.
have to understand that when Lord Krishna was with Arjun, he told very clear cut, तुम किसे मार रहे हो? जो मार रहा है वो मैं हूं, जो मर रहा है वो मैं हूं. So there is God in everybody. So when Arjun would kill his own relatives,
Mhm.
Bhishma, everybody else, you and me have to understand that this is life, and life will end in a death. The only thing which you and me have to understand is the gap between the life and death. We have to enjoy and we have to celebrate. So I
Yeah.
talk to all my friends and I tell them, remember only two things which Dr. Ashish Chauhan does in his life. Only two C's: celebrating or caring. So
Mhm.
either you celebrate the achievements or you care for the ones who you need to care for. So if
Mhm.
anybody gets into the habit of crying business or crying baby, that actually proves their spiritual immaturity. We all
Mhm.
will. I tell my family every other day, COVID, I see every day 50 to 100 patients. I see patients in ICU. And I tell them, one fine day, probably I will be positive, probably I will go. 798 doctors have gone. The time of the death is written before even you and me have taken birth.
Yeah.
If you're clear about it, then you will realize that ठीक है, being sad for one day is normal because you and me are humans. But the next day you have to move on. Everybody dies. Be it
Yeah.
Mahatma, be it Lord Krishna, be it Ram, be it anybody, all the gurus. In every religion, everybody dies. And you and me understand and thank God everybody dies, because imagine if nobody would have died by now, we would have had trillions and trillions of old people around us. So
Yeah.
I think you have to accept what is God's perfect plan. And once you learn and come in terms to that reality, you will not lose and you will not be sobbing. You have to
Mhm.
always what is the God's perfect plan, and once you understand that, you will actually smile. Life is all about, that song says, किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना
जीना इसी का नाम।